Alright, so third time's a charm. This is my third attempt at installing the ISR Catback Exhaust on the Miata. Had to go and get these two bolts coming off right where the cat is there in the middle of the car. I had to get these cut and then replaced with new bolts, as you can see there. So this was basically 20 years of rust. Now we can take that part off, cut the rest of it off, and the other one should go on fairly easily. Very nice guys at the Meineke. Oh yeah. There's one. Oh, there's two. Go, baby. Trying to get the O2 sensor off here. Probably should have had them loosen that up for me as well, because now I'm coming across another bolt that I can't remove. A little extra leverage here with the PVC and the wrench, so we'll see what happens. To be continued. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about. That is how it's done. That right there is how it's done. Point of no return. Cutting the muffler off right here. Where are my safety glasses?
Stretch.
I can't reach.
Stretch.
It's so far away. It's so far.
Stretch. Stretch.
Oh.
Go.
Yeah, baby. That's adaptation at its finest. That's like how giraffes grew their necks so long after a certain amount of time.
That was deep. I didn't see that one coming.
So stretch one stretch, then the next stretch you can always get more, more, more. Yep, it's a circle of life. Look at this piece. I had it cut and now it's bent. Something's hurting my shoulder. I don't know if it's a zit.
You're a mess.
I feel like I have a piece of metal stuck in my shoulder.
That is not the approved way to wear those glasses.
No? Alright, so here's what we got. The old and the new big fart cannon going on. So what we did was we went ahead and cut this one off here, took off the muffler, and then all the way from the cat, this is where the O2 sensor was, and this is the side where we were having issues with the two bolts that got replaced. So as you can see, this nice shiny one is going on. She's a wide one. You can see I can fit my whole hand in that tip. Going right there. Gonna be looking good. It's huge. Well, remember, it's gotta be pulled down too to hook up with your other. Oh my sweet lord. That looks ridiculous. Oh, yeet! She's in, boys. She's in. Let's take a quick gander underneath. All right, so from the booty side, you can see it's quite a significant difference there. And going from the tip, we got the muffler all the way back to the middle of the car. It's a little dark, but that's what we replaced. Catback, here we go. We'll do the inaugural stirred up.
You're covered in leaves.
Yeah. Looking good?
No.
Pretty subtle. Did you say subtle? It sounds like a bass, kind of very bassy. as a side note, putting on the new front lip that I got. This has been the existing front lip put through the ringer. It was lawn edging that I bent into shape and then just had it setting on there like that.
Oh, you stuck that on?
Yeah, this is lawn edging.
Well, you know what?
So this one, you know, it didn't look too bad, but this one's gonna look a lot better, I'd say.